Hello, my name is Edson Oliveira and I'll be presenting this video for DNNHere.com, and in this video I'll be reviewing a module called DNNMetrics, and this module is a real-time analytics module for DotNetNuke. The guy behind this module, his name is Subodh Shakya, and he was the one that sent me the license so I could do a review for the module. So basically, Subodh sent me a standard edition subscription, which gives me permission to install the module in 2 sites, and it gives me subscription length of 6 months. So again, this module is a replacement as compared to Google Analytics or to any analytics software out there. But again, it's a module built specifically for DotNetNuke. So what I'll be doing today is I have this module installed already in one site, and I'll be installing it in a second site, and we're gonna have a look how we go about using it. Okay? So first thing, when you buy this module, is that you get an invoice number, and then you can go to a page called setup, which you can validate your invoice number. Once you validate, you create an account and you set up your sites. This part I have already done, so I cannot really repeat that, but there is a page in their site, dnnmetrics.com/help/dnnmodule-module, that they really go through each and every detail of what you need to do to validate your invoice and to create your account, to set up the sites that you want to use that account with. So for that part, I'm not going to go through it right now. Now, to get more details of what is that this module does that is different from, let's say, Google Analytics, you can just come here to Snow Covered, and all those links I'll be posting in the video post, so you have a reference there. If we scroll down in Snow Covered, you're gonna see a grid that goes through a bunch of different aspects of different features that are available in DNNMetrics and not available in Google. Now, the one that I really want to highlight is the real-time data tracking that you can have with DNNMetrics, because with Google, you don't have real-time data. If someone is visiting your site right now, you cannot see that in Google with Google Analytics. But with DNNMetrics, you can see them right there online, real time. All that information is available to you. So aside of that, there are lots of other aspects that you can see in this grid that makes this module very, very relevant in a significant, I would say, match to Google Analytics. But now let's see it in action. First, I want to show some of the existing data that I have been tracking for the last few days in one of sites that I administer. So the site, the address that we have to go to see the tracking information is this one here, stats.dnnmetrics.com, and then you can log in with your login information that you have created with DNNMetrics. Now, here I have added 2 sites, DNNHere.com, which has no tracking yet because I have not installed the module there yet, and I have installed in a second site called DotNetNukeBrazil.com.br, which I have been tracking for the last few days. So basically, in a snapshot, you can see all sites that you are tracking. If I go to the one that I have some data, you can just click there and you'll see more information. I'm not gonna go through each and every aspect here. Again, this is an analytics software analytics site. So again, you can come here, you can explore, but I'm not gonna explore each and every detail here. I'm just gonna browse through it quickly. But basically here, I'm seeing the visitors in a daily basis. I can select different time frames, last 3 days. Again, I have been tracking this for the past 2 or 3 days, so there's not much data here. But again, you can track visitors. This is real time. If there's someone accessing the site right now, it will show up here. Visitors, you can track locales, again, this is a site for Brazil, so it shows a lot of Brazilian visitors. Canada, basically, it's myself, I guess. Content, again, it has all the different aspects and much more than what a regular analytics software has. It tracks video as well, does a bunch of tracking here. But now what I really want to show is I want to go to a site that this module is not installed yet. I want to install it there and to add the information that makes the site link back to DNNMetrics, so the information can be tracked there. So here's what we're gonna do. As I show, I have two sites. One, I have it started tracking, but the first one I don't. So I'm gonna go to this site and I'm going to install the module there. So here's the site. I'm just running from a sub portal, from a portal inside the main site. So what I'm gonna do is I have logged in as host because I need to install a module. I'm gonna go to the host menu, to module definitions, and I'm going to go to the action menu and install a new module. I'm gonna browse to find the module, and the module is in this folder. This is the module, version 1.03. Click open. Again, just install it as a regular module. Click next, next again, and then next. Then accept the license. Click next. The module is installed, and I can just click return. Now the module is now installed, so let's just scroll down and see. It's right here, DNNMetrics. So what we have to do now is we can go to any page of the website. I'm just gonna go to the home page of my site. I'm going to add the DNNMetrics module to the home page. And let's say to the content page, to the bottom of the content page, content pane. And it was added actually to the top for, well, that's because this is the content pane here. Now, the module was added, but it says that because I'm visiting as an admin, nothing has been tracked yet. And on top of that, I need to set up the module. I have to go to settings, and then I have to scroll down, and I have to fill out some information here, site ID, site key. Those information you can find them by going back to your account under DNNMetrics, which I can find it right here. And this is the site that I want to track. I just need to go to preferences, and I have both information right here, site ID, which I'm just gonna copy and paste over there, and site key as well. Not sure if I should be showing this information, but I'll do it anyway. This is just a demo. Let's paste this. So site ID and site key, this is important information to track the information back to DNNMetrics websites. So I'm just going to update this. I may have left a little bit of space there in the key. Let me go back to settings. Yes, there's a space here. Should not be any space there. Just gonna update this. Yeah, so now it does show me this little snapshot here of some information. To go straight to the metrics site, I can just click on this link and it will go straight to my account. Now, very important, even though you can see this area here, but you can only see that when you are logged in as admin. And when you are logged in as admin, your visit doesn't count to the metrics at all. So just to show you that, I'm just going to flip to Internet Explorer here. I have the same address. I'm just refreshing it. I cannot see it at all here, but as I'm logged in as admin, I can definitely see that here. Now again, from this point on, because I have access to the site as a non-admin, as a regular user, if I go back to DNNMetrics into my account, I should be able to see some activity there already. See, if I go to DNNMetrics, I can see my account. I can see already there is a visitor today visiting right now, which is myself using Internet Explorer, where I'm not logged in. So basically, this is how you can go about using DNNMetrics to do the analytics side of your aspects of your website. And again, this was just a quick overview. So thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.